One Pot Enchilada Skillet coming at you, and I'm going to start with the ingredients. 12 ounces of rotisserie chicken here. You can also use shredded chicken breast. We're going to use 1 cup of red enchilada sauce. This guy here, green chiles, is going to add a little bit of flavor, a little bit of spice. 2 to 4 tablespoons, just based on how much you want to use here. Oregano, chipotle chili powder. This is a Mexican cheese blend, and only 4 corn tortillas. That's it, guys. Let's get started. Okay, so we are starting with about a 12-inch nonstick skillet. I've got a little bit of olive oil spray there. That'll save you some calories. We're going to go ahead and toss in our shredded chicken here. The skillet should be on about a medium heat. We're just trying to warm this chicken through here, so give that a nice little toss. From here, we're going to add in maybe about half a teaspoon, or I'd say tablespoon of oregano. You can't go wrong with oregano. And same thing with the chipotle chili powder. I like some heat and who doesn't like chipotle chili powder? If you haven't tried it, give it a go. Next comes our enchilada sauce. So you just want to gently toss that in there. You want to coat every piece of chicken. And I am adding just a little bit more water here, and that'll help keep that moisture in there. In goes the chiles. Mix it super well and keep the heat on medium because we do want to get this sauce to a light simmer to where you see those little bubbles popping up. The bubbles have made their appearance, so that means it's time to toss in the tortilla strips. All I did was cut those tortillas into 1-inch strips. Oop, man down. And we're going to coat all of those tortilla strips. Again, you can get a little messy here. Doesn't matter as long as they're coated. Be careful not to lose any outside of the pan. Beautiful. Tortillas have been nestled in, so final touches. Cheese, please. So we're just going to toss that cheese in there. Again, evenly distribute all over the tortillas and the chicken. Again, you can always go a little bit heavier, but you don't need a lot of cheese because the flavor's in that enchilada sauce. Done. From here, we're going to turn down that heat all the way. Actually, you can remove it from the heat and just slide that over. Final product, I wish you had smell-o-vision. I went ahead and topped it with sour cream, a little bit of green onion, and sweet red bell pepper. So you don't have to add these things. These are just optional, and I actually do it for photos. So now I'm going to show you how to portion this out for meal prep. So I just took my spatula and ran it this way and this way, making 4 giant servings. FYI, each serving is only 225 calories, 30 grams of protein.